Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download and install Legend of YMIR game on your PC. So open Chrome. In Chrome search for Legend of YMIR and then open the Legend of YMIR official website. Scroll down and then click on Play Now and then click on the download option. This will download the Legend of YMIR launcher, so just wait for it to get downloaded. And once it is downloaded, you can click on this Legend of YMIR launcher exe file to launch it, or you can also click on this folder icon and then double click on Legend of YMIR launcher installer exe file. Now if you see this type of screen, then click on run. Click yes to allow. Now select the language in which you want to download the game. So I have selected English and then click on OK. Then click on next, then scroll down, read this agreement and terms of condition and then click on I agree, and then you can click on install button. You can see space required is 40 GB, so make sure 40 GB of space is available on your PC and then click on install option and then click on finish. Now you can see the Legend of YMIR launcher has been installed and the game is installing on my PC. So by this way you can download and install Legend of YMIR game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.